model, 56-plate Vauxhall Vivaro 2700 1.9 Cdti short wheelbase, starts runs needs turbo 90k miles no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 90,663. Engine, 1870 cc G9 UE. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo oil seals have worn. Straightforward simple turbo replacement job, genuine 90k low mileage, well worth repairing, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition, still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van.